American retail fashion tycoon Tommy Hilfiger has listed his European-inspired Fairytale castle in exclusive Greenwich, Connecticut for a whopping $47.5 million asking price. The turreted manor house appears transported from a Disney movie set in the French countryside and is perched on the highest piece of land in Greenwich, in an exclusive area known as Round Hill. With 6 ensuite bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and 3 powder rooms under 13,344 square feet of living space. Adding to the estate's storybook vibe are terracotta roof tiles, Holland brick walls, and miles of private hedges that define the estate's many gardens. A fountain rose garden, a boxwood knot garden, a water garden with koi pond, and a fanciful topiary garden. Amongst all that carefully maintained greenery is a bean-shaped pool and a grass tennis court. The estate's high, castle-like perch allows for panoramic views that stretch to the Long Island Sound and the Manhattan skyline. The sprawling estate was featured in Architectural Digest back in 2017 after undergoing a complete renovation by Tommy Hilfiger and his wife Dee. Designed by architect Greville Ricard and built in 1939 for real estate magnate Charles V. Paterno, the 22-acre spread has a rich history of being passed down from one financial aristocrat to another. Hilfiger and his wife bought the property in 2010 for $31 million. Many rooms have been totally redesigned to reflect Hilfiger and his wife's stylishly eccentric taste. There's a Technicolor red carpet in the Turkish-inspired screening room that resembles a Boudin tent, and a ground floor dressing room takes its cue from high-end boutiques with shimmery floral paper, Chanel-like carpets, and a chandelier. Along with the 6 antique fireplaces, original white plank floorboards were kept in main entrances and dining room, while elsewhere is a mix of newer wood floors, as in the kitchen, and limestone tile with wood inlays, as is showcased in the billiards lounge. Other luxuries include a compact fitness room, a wood-clad massage room and master suite with 2 bathrooms, 2 dressing rooms, and a private study. A separate 2-bed, 2-bath guest house is fully equipped with living room and kitchen, and the property additionally includes a greenhouse and a charming tea house converted to a security pavilion. The Hilfigers have been on a real estate shedding spree for the past few years, offloading a number of multi-million-dollar properties from their portfolio and clocking up some massive sales in the process. Hilfiger said recently that he and his wife are moving to Palm Beach, Florida.